Hey there, I'm Sheikh Mozart from Big City Studios, and these are the dance motions for Resurrected, which is off of our album, Kids Church Party Music. Here we go. We're gonna start off with the chorus, and our chorus goes like this. Resurrected, he's resurrected. Resurrected, he's resurrected. Resurrected, he's resurrected. Resurrected, he's resurrected. Now the first half of each verse is a call and response. The leader is going to say, hey, have you heard? He's resurrected. That's the word. And the response is, hey, leader's name, is this true? Then I got to share good news. All right? You're going to yell that back and forth to each other. Hey, you, have you heard? He's resurrected. That's the word. Hey, you, is it true? Then I got to share good news. Simple. But the next part of the verse is a little tricky. It goes like this. Jesus, you're going to tap yourself on the shoulders 2 times. Jesus lives. You're going to tap yourself on your thigh, on your legs twice. Jesus lives. That's the good news. Jesus lives. That's the good news. And then the next part, it makes me wanna clap and move. All right, so we're gonna tap ourselves on our shoulders, tap ourselves on our legs, then we're gonna clap and we're gonna stomp twice. Makes me wanna clap and move. And then we're gonna repeat the whole thing over again. Life with Jesus makes me joyful. That is why I share the gospel. So let's do the whole thing together. Jesus lives, that's the good news. It makes me wanna clap and move. Life with Jesus makes me joyful. That is why I share the gospel. And then we go back to resurrected, he's resurrected. Resurrected, he's resurrected. Those are our dance motions for Resurrected, which is a song off of our Kids Church Party Music album that you can get on bigcitystudios.tv. My name is Sheikh Mozart, and I'll see you next time.